Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to create 100 social media posts super fast using ChatGPT and Canva. If you are looking to save time and still put out great content, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. Well, we all know ChatGPT, right? So we will use ChatGPT to generate the content. I will start by typing in a prompt that asks ChatGPT to create 100 short, engaging captions or that can be quotes or something. So let's start with some helpful and inspirational quotes. Click enter and ChatGPT will give us 100 short quotes for our social media posts. So we have 100 quotes now. Now we are gonna make a CSV file and we are gonna use Google Sheets for that. I'm copying all the codes to make the CSV file and simply paste it here. Go to File, Download, and download as a CSV file. Now go to canva.com. I will give you the link in the description and you may have an offer when you create your account for the first time on Canva. So don't forget to check the link in the description. Here, simply search quotes and you will have a lot of templates to write your quotes. Let's go with this one. Customize this template. Well, before we get started, make sure you customize the template as you want. And I have made a lot of tutorial videos on how to customize Canva templates. And if you're interested in that, check those videos. So once we have customized this template, we will go to apps and click on the bulk create option. And we will upload the CSV file that we have made. Now Canva is asking us to connect data to the elements. So this is the element. I'm gonna connect data, this data, the codes we have made. Done. Now we will click continue and Canva will ask us to generate 99 designs. So simply click on this. It will open a new page and we will have all those 100 posts ready. So here you go, we have got all those 100 social media posts ready to publish. Now click on the share button and download it. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have created 100 social media posts using ChatGPT and Canva. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And also leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.